Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to generate AI images for free. So let's begin the video. First, open your web browser and if you search for free AI image generator, you will find several options. You can use Adobe or ChatGPT. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create image in Gemini. Go to Google Gemini and then first log into your account. Now from here click on New Chat and now click on the message box. Type a detailed description of the image you want to create. The more details you include, the better Gemini can understand your idea. Once you are done writing prompt, click on the plus icon and then select Create Image. Now submit the prompt. This will process your request and generate an AI image. Wait a few minutes for the result to appear. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.